Hello everyone, and welcome to the Crash Test channel. The 2024 Mazda CX-80 has proven its dedication to safety with its stellar performance in Euro NCAP crash tests. The passenger compartment demonstrated exceptional resilience, staying stable during the frontal offset test. Dummy readings revealed excellent protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and front passenger. Notably, Mazda showed that this protection extends to occupants of varying sizes and seating positions, underscoring its design versatility. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the rear passenger's chest protection was deemed adequate, while all other critical body regions received high marks for safety. The side barrier and severe side pole impact tests showcased the CX-80's robust engineering, scoring maximum points for protecting all critical areas. The car also performed well in far-side impact scenarios, with systems in place to mitigate injuries caused by occupant-to-occupant collisions. Mazda's commitment to occupant safety is further highlighted by its advanced airbag system, which delivered excellent protection for both the driver and passenger. The car excelled in whiplash protection, as confirmed by tests on the front and rear seats. Additional safety technologies, like the e-call system and features to prevent secondary impacts, reinforce the CX-80's position as a top-tier SUV in safety. Remarkably, Mazda even demonstrated that the car's doors and windows could be operated in the event of submersion, ensuring added peace of mind. What do you think about the Mazda CX-80's safety features? Let us know in the comments and tell us which vehicle you'd like us to review next. Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more safety insights and updates.